What's up everyone? Welcome back to heARTwork Creations. This is your fairy glam mother speaking, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created this dreamy pink and purple eye look. So I already have my foundation, brows, and eyes primed and ready to go, so we'll just go ahead and jump right into the eye look. I'm going to be using the Morphe and JamesCharles collaboration palette. And to start off, for my brow bone, I'm going to be using Flashback and Canvas with just some random eyeshadow brush. And for my transition color, I'll be mixing Pinkity Drinkity and Single with a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that right in the crease using windshield wiper motions. And I like to just build the color using layers. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a couple of layers till I get that desired pink shade that I want. Once I have my perfect pink shade, I'm going to go ahead and start on my other eye. I'm going to do the same thing, just use windshield wiper motions and blend, blend, blend. Once that eye's finished, I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the outer corner color using Single and Escape mixed together with an M443 brush. And I'm just going to focus on the outer corner. I'm not going to blend up too high or too far into the center of the eye. I'm just going to keep that darker color right on the outer edge of my eye. And just make sure it's really blended in, no harsh lines. And of course, do the same on the other eye. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to dip into Love That and skip with my M169 brush. And I'm just going to drag my brush from the outer corner to the inner corner. And then I'm going to apply that right onto my waterline as well. Once my under eye shadow is complete, I'm going to move on to my lid color, which is from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab palette, the Bling Boss edition. I'll be using the shade Bling Bling with a MAC 239 brush. And of course I'm going to dampen my brush a little bit with some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I apply that all over the lid, avoiding my outer corner so that I don't cover up that depth and definition that I added with the darker pink shades. You want to make sure to keep your brush damp so that your eyeshadow remains highly pigmented and it doesn't go all over the place. Then I like to take my blending brush one more time and soften up any harsh lines. Once my eyeshadow is finished, I'm going to be lining my eyes with some Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Ayesha. And I'm also going to use my Simply Simmons spotter brush. I'm going to start by drawing a line at the center of my eye and drag my brush towards the inner corner, and then bring that line towards the outer corner of my eye, dragging towards my eyebrow. Then I'm going to connect that line with a small little line beginning from the edge of my eye, and then fill in that space. I really like using liquid lipsticks as eyeliner because the pigment is on point compared to other eyeliners that are out on the market, but I do recommend testing them on your eyes before wearing them out somewhere, just in case your eyes are sensitive to the formula. Make them wings sharp. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on my lashes just to coat them and remove any of the eyeshadow fallout. And this is the Scandal Eyes Mascara by Rimmel. And then I'll coat my bottom lashes too. And I have a couple of little straggling lash extensions left, but I'm still going to apply some false lashes. And these are the Ardell Wispies, of course, with a couple of individuals on top. I just place them right in the center of my eye and then drag them towards the inner corner or the outer corner. And then push them towards my lash line. And once I have them where I want them, I clamp them a little bit with my tweezers. And I push them up a little bit too to make sure they are securely applied. Next, I'm going to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies with a little bit more mascara. So since I'm already contoured, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some blush. I'm going to use this pretty light pink shade by Tarte called Party. And I'm just going to apply it lightly right on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm applying this with my Suavecita S104 brush. To highlight, I'm going to use the Mary-Louminizer by the Balm Cosmetics with my Morphe R36 brush. I dampen the brush a little bit with some continuous setting mist, also by Morphe, and then just apply that on the top of my cheekbones, on the bridge and point of my nose, a little bit around my forehead and on my lips. I'm also going to bring that down to my collarbones, a little on my chest and my shoulders, so that I can gleam in the light. For lips, I'll be using my favorite MAC lip liner in Stripdown. I'm just going to softly line my lips and kind of color them in a little bit, and overline a little as well to give them a more fuller effect. And I'm going to top that off with some Super Juicy's gloss by Femme Couture, which you can buy at Sally's. I like this gloss because it's not too sticky and it just has a hint of color, so it doesn't change the color of the lip. And it gives me just the perfect shine. And to set that all up, I'll be spraying on my Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. And to give my hair some texture, I'm going to spray on some Suavecita grooming spray. And this will give my hair a little more of that wet look. And that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching my video on this dreamy pink and purple eye look. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to show me some love. Leave me some comments and some feedback down below. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye.